Hello everyone. Myself Nishtha Desai. Today's my topic is the rape of the lock as a social satire. It's written by Alexander Pope. These are my academic information, and these are my table of content. Introduction. The Rape of the Lock is a mock heroic poem written by the poet Alexander Pope. It was published in the 1712, and Pope satirized on the social world of the 18th century. It was true event happened with Arabella Farmer, and Lord Peter had cut off the lock of Arabella's hair, and it refused to return. An incident have caused a bad feeling between two families. Lord Peter cut off the hair of the Arabella's head, and it is the true event, and Alexander Pope satirized on this event, and Pope's friend Carrie, who was friendly with both families and laughed them together again, he suggests Pope to wrote the poem about this event. Carrie and Pope both are friends, and Carrie was also noticed this event when the Lord Peter cut off the hair of Arabella Farmer, and then Alexander Pope wrote a letter to the Arabella Farmer and about this event. And here Belinda is a character who represent Arabella Farmer. There are five cantos in the poem. In 1707 edition of the poem consists of five cantos of and Clarissa's speech. In the 1707, Alexander Pope at the fifth canto about the Clarissa's speech. In the end of the poem, Clarissa's role is represent the morality. Clarissa said, "Morality, our morality is important. Beauty is not important, and our virtue is important." In the poem, the event happened with Belinda and her lock cut off by Baron. Pope uses supernatural element like sylph, Ariel, umbrella. First, what is satire? Satire is a genre and literary device that holds human nature up to criticism. In literature, writers use irony, humor, and exaggeration to create successful satire. The satire word origin from the Latin word satir, which means the well fed. When some critic or writer want to criticize any event, they use exaggeration, irony, and they use a comedical way also. But in the comedy way, they satirize on the society and condition of society. In the poem The Rape of the Lock, Pope uses the Horatian satire. Horatian satire is comic and offer light social commentary. It meant to poke fun at a person or situation in entertaining way. When we heard the cut of the hair lock, it's sometimes a comedy for us, but it represents the reality of the 18th century and people importance for beauty. So it satirized on the event in the comic way, but it was the reality of the society. Pope satirized on the event end of cut of the hair of Arabella Farmer. He criticized 18th century of England and also satirized the religious concept. For representation of 18th century, the Rape of Lock is a social document because it Rape of Lock reflect the it like a mirror. It reflect the 18th century society and satire on it. Pope clearly depicts and absurdities and the frivolities of the fashionable circle of the 18th century of England. Pope satirized on many conditions like the religion condition, the fashion of women, behavior of judges. In the poem, Pope also described the nature of man, husband and wife relation. So let's discuss all those things in detail. So first is the men's nature. Pope satirizes men's nature that is always weak at beauty. Men sacrifice everything at alter beauty, and even most intelligent men behaves foolishly when he falls in the victim of beauty. It the weakness of a man. When Pope reflect the nature of men when men victim became a victim of woman beauty, so it reflects the weakness of a man. In poem we can say that baron represent not Peter, but typically the nature of 18th century's men. Husbands thinks that their wives have been merrymaking with their lovers. Wives are also not virtuous at all. They love to their lapdogs more than their husbands, and the death of husband is not more shocking than the death of lapdogs or the breaking of China vessel. In this line, Pope satirize on the men's nature like they have doubt their wives has extramarital affair with any other another person, but their wives women are busy in their with their personal dogs, yeah, another favorite things. So in this line, not louder shrieks to pitying heaven are cast when husbands or when lapdogs breathe their last. It means when the wife's husband died, a woman has grief of the like breaking of china dish, and not like in more grief, but when their personal things like in the poem Belinda love her beautiness. When her lock cut off, she grieved more and cried. But it also represent both the things because women have not more grief for their husband's death, but grief for their personal things broken. Satirize on the fashionable life of women. Pope satirize on the word of Belinda. Fashion is trivial word. The whole life of Belinda is confined to sleeping, makeup, and enjoyment and alluring the lords. In the beginning of the poem, we also notice that Pope described in the through the windows the sunlight come lightly and Belinda wake up slowly, and the Pope describe all the things in the softly. And on the 18th century, women have no on any work. They give importance to beauties, their beauty and parties and etc. things, not any other thing. Belinda represent all the fashion-struck women busy in such stupidities. The poet also makes fun on Belinda by telling us when she wakes up, her eyes first open on the love letter, and the writer has spoken wounds, charms, and doubts. He not laugh merrily at fashionable ladies' desire to receive love letters, but also the conventional vocabulary of those love letters. Pope also satire on the love letters of during that time. Pope satirized on religious concept also in the poem. Belinda in the on the Belinda's dressing table there are cosmetic accessories of Belinda, and side of them one Bible also. So Pope also satirized on the religious thing, on the religious concept. So it satirized on those things because Bible is the holy book of Christian. In the dressing table of Belinda, there was a Bible. Here, Pope satirized on Catholicism. Then when Belinda travels to went in the party in the river of Thames, her necklace was a Christian symbol. So Pope also satirized on these things. Mockery on judges. Pope satirized and system of courts 18th century. He says that at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the judges hurriedly signed the sentences and rushed to their homes for dinner in the time. This was their sense of responsibility and punctuality. Pope says, meanwhile, declining from the noon of day, the sun obligatory shoot his burning ray. The hungry judges soon the sentence signed, and wretches hanged that jurymen may dine. In those lines, Pope satirized on the judges. 4 o'clock, the time of judges' dinner, so they not read any paper, and they sign only and give the sentence of death and etc. Sentences. So it was also represent the irresponsible judges. So it also represent 18th century's role of judges. So here the poet satirized on the judges and their responsibility and the work also. Conclusion. Thus, we can say that the Rape of the Lock is a brilliant social satire written by Alexander Pope, and it satirized on 18th century's aristocracy, women's nature, men's nature, and importance of women for their fashion, their beauty, and also Pope satirized on the religious concept and judges in responsibility. So these are my reference sources. Thank you. If anyone have question, please ask me.
Is my question. How does Pope satirize the judges in the rape of the law?
Yes, Rosmin. Pope satirize on the judges through the in the when their dinner time they give sentences without read. So it represent injustice for the another people. So it is Pope satirize on the judges.
So my question is, what is the role of the sylphs in Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock, and how do they contributed to the poem's satirical elements?
Yes, the sylph are the airy spirit who notice any beautiful woman, and sylph are Belinda's protector. They protect Belinda and their virtue. So, in the Rape of Lock, the Alexander Pope satirized on importance of women beauty. The 18th century is a woman fashionable word. So it's about my side. Thank you.